In this video, I want to talk about this Ryobi Wet Dry Vac. So this will suck up water, or it'll just work like a regular vacuum. Has a nice handle right here that you can fold down flat. That's one cool thing about this is a flat surface, so if you wanted to stack a toolbox on it or even another vacuum, you can. Battery goes right here. And as far as like how long it runs, I would say probably about 20 minutes constant with a battery like this. So it lasts a long time. It's nice that it's portable. It's lightweight. The hose right here comes out, has a nice place to store it on the top. And you have a couple accessories. So you have this little wand in the front right here. It just pops off like that. And pull that back there, and if you turn it right here, you have this one as well. Obviously, I've used this a lot. I've had it for about 2 or 3 years, and it's been an awesome little vacuum. Power button right here. Let me show you how to take the hose off and why you would do that. So right here, you just twist it, take it off, and now you can take this attachment and spin the vacuum around, and there's a blower port right here, so you can slide this in here and then put this in here, and now the vacuum has a little blower. I'll turn it on and show you. So if you wanted to dust off your tools after a job or something, you can do that, and then reattach it here and clean it up. And it's a pretty powerful little vacuum. Suck up all this sawdust. And if you want to fold this back up, the only thing I've found is that over time I've stretched out this hose, so you can see it's a little stretched right here, but you can easily just put it back into place right here if you wanted to stack some stuff on top of it. To open it, you have latches on either side right here. They just pop up like that, one on this side, and then you can take this out, and this is where your filter is. And to change it or to clean it, this is actually a reusable and washable filter. So you would just take this off, clean it up, wash it if you want, and then this also is how you would use this as a wet vac. You would just pop this back in, clip that, and then you can suck up water if you need to, or you put this back on after it's clean, just like that, and you're in business. So, in general, it's an awesome little vacuum. You don't have to have one of the big shop vacs and tote it all over the place. I got this because I changed the size of my stairs going up into my attic, and I was doing a lot of work up there. Because I changed the size, I couldn't get a big shop vac up there. I saw this thing, tried it out, and it's awesome. I use it all the time. If you were interested in one, and wanted to see it first before you bought it, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.